Hi, Jenny here. Summer is here and the hot weather is hit, so today I thought I would make a cool, refreshing lunch, and I'm going to make a carrot tuna salad. So let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 2 ounces of tuna, or half a can, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 pepper rings, and a piece of bread. We are going to go ahead and drain our tuna, and then depending on the bread that you're using, if you would like it toasted, go ahead and toast that now. Oh, forgot. Gotta plug it in. Use my can opener to open my tuna. Oh, I'll have to flip my bread and toast it on the other side just because it's not big enough for the toaster, and I kind of don't want to cut it. Usually when I'm making my toast, I will cut my bread, cut it in half, and that way it fits in both sides and then it gets toasted at once. That's okay. So there we go. Tuna's ready. We will go ahead and mix our ingredients into a bowl now. This was another Denise Austin recipe, so the serving sizes are for 1 person. The recipes are for 1. Usually when I'm making something, I also make, I'll make 2 servings because I make 1 for my husband. So something like this, when it's, you know, half a can of tuna, well, it's kind of like, well, instead of just putting half a can of tuna away, I would just go ahead and double the recipe. So obviously you guys can do that. Or if you even just want to go ahead and make it right away so that, again, you have leftovers. So you have lunch like all ready for you tomorrow. You don't have to think about it. It's like, oh, hey, I've got that in the fridge. So with the carrots, same. This is about half a carrot. So again, go ahead and if you're doing your own, if you're shredding your own, which is what I usually do, I go ahead and I shredded 1 carrot just to see for sure too. I'm like, okay, how many carrots do I need for that 1/4 cup? And yeah, I shredded 1 carrot and I've got, like I said, about half of that left. So, and again, my husband, he could use double the size anyways. He can eat a whole can of tuna by himself, and a whole carrot and all that. That would be fine for him. For me, it would be like, yeah, either way. I'm gonna go half for 1. Usually I always try it and then see how full I am and then know for next time I make it. It's like, well, what am I going to need to use? So we've got our tuna, carrots, and mayo. Go ahead and mix that up. Usually the tuna is salty enough. Depending on the mayo you're using, if it's either low fat or not, you're going to have a lot of taste with those ingredients. And then obviously we're going to top with our green pepper. Yeah, and as I said too, for your bread, if you want to use bread or not, you can just put this on a lettuce leaf if you're trying to watch your carbs, or doing the no bread thing. So we are going to go ahead and just put this on our piece of toast. You can cut it in half if you want to make a closed sandwich. I just figured I would do an open face sandwich for this one. I like to use sourdough bread. There are different types of sourdough loaves also. Another one of those, talk about options in the store, right? How many choices we have these days for all of our foods. And even the sourdough bread it comes in these longer pieces. And there are also kind of like the regular loaf breads. You have that size of sourdough bread that you could choose. And obviously, again, like I said, you could put this on a roll or a croissant. I was looking up some pictures last night to do my coloring sheet, and it was coming up with all the recipes. of how to make this and stuff, and so many of them were on croissants and stuff, and I'm like, oh, it was all looking so good. I was hungry last night. I'm like, I'm ready to make this, eat this now. So I was looking forward to making this today. So there we go. And then depending on the size of your green peppers or how much you like green pepper, you can put 1 or 2 slices on. I could probably fit 2 on here. I took them the smaller ones, or maybe I'll do 1.5. We'll just don't fit it to size. And there you go. Lunch is ready. So there you have it. Carrot tuna salad is finished. So again, obviously options. So again, I should rename my channel and say, like, the recipe option channel. Yeah, because again, you can serve this on toast, you could serve it on bread, you could serve it on a bun, whatever bread that you like. If for the shredded carrots, like I said, you can shred your own, you can buy a bag, especially with stuff like this, maybe if you are just making recipes for yourself. And again, either you want different options for lunch, or that you don't want to eat the same thing a couple days in a row or whatever, buy a bag of shredded carrots, and then you can use your shredded carrots in, a salad like this. You can use them in a regular salad if you just make, a salad with the leaf lettuce and like carrots and radishes and cucumber. So use your carrots in that. You could use the carrots in soup. You have options for that to make. But and either way, like I said, I usually double up these recipes, and that also to make it a little bit easier for me. And that way Wayne has something to eat too. So a little something different for him, because he won't usually make this kind of stuff for himself. He has made tuna salad. It's been a long time. He has made some tuna salad for himself, but now he usually just buys the packs of tuna. So unless I'm making something different like this, then he's more than willing to eat it now too. And then nowadays, I'm also usually making stuff for my mom. So after this, I will go ahead and make another batch of this, a bigger batch, so that I can share. And I am going to taste this. Okay. That's the thing about having a ring pepper on there. Just take a bite, and the ring's gonna go. But, that's tuna salad. Having it on the bread, so good. And you get that extra pepper taste in there right away. So good. Easy to make. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I will leave it down below. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to eat tuna salad. As I said, when I was looking up the pictures, I think I was seeing tuna salad, and I was seeing the chicken salad with the grapes in there too. Oh, it was looking good. Fruit. Yummy, yummy. I'll probably have some fruit after I eat this. Anyways, I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Yummy, yummy.